Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to tag and organize contacts with the help of Mailchimp. So first of all, what you have to do is click on the audience icon, which you'll see on the left tab. Click on audience and select all contacts. Now, on this page, you will be able to see all of your contacts in a single page. What you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and click on 25 and click on 100. Now you'll be able to see 100 contacts per page. Now, from there, what you have to do to add a contact to any of your email addresses or any of your contacts, what you have to do, you can either select all of your contacts and then you'll be able to tag contacts. But if you want to add tags to specific contact, for example, if I want to add a tag on this, and this contact, what I will do, I will select all of these contacts and click on tag contacts. Now, from there, I can either search existing tags or I can create new. So what I will do, I will type any tag. For example, if I want to create any new tag, what I will do is type the tag. For example, I will type subscribed. There is no tag with the name of subscribed. So what I will do, I will simply click on create and click on apply. As you can see, these three contacts have now the tag called subscribed. Now, if you want to remove a tag, what you can do is select all of these contacts and click on tag contacts. On this page, you have to select the tag that you want to remove and simply go down, choose an action. I will select remove tags. Now I will click on apply and my tag will be removed from all of my contacts. As you can see, there is no contact with the name with the tag subscribed because I have just removed it. Another way you can add a tag to a contact is by selecting that specific contact. I will click on view contact profile. From here in the tag section, I will click on add a tag. I will type the name of my tag, select my tag and go back. As you can see, the tag has been added to this contact. If I want to remove tag from this section, what I will do, I will just simply click on this cross button and simply I will be able to remove my tag. There's another way you can add tags by going to the audience section and click on tags, and you can either create a new tag or you can search any tag. Now what you can do is select the tag and click on bulk tag. Now what you can do, search for or create your tag. I will search for my tag. Now I have options to upload email addresses via CSV file or tab delimited text file. You have to keep in mind, if you are uploading a CSV file, any email in the CSV file that is not available in your contacts or the audience section will not be added to your Mailchimp. So you can also paste email addresses manually. Once you've uploaded the file, you have to click on apply tag and you have successfully applied the tags on your email addresses or your contacts. And that's how to add tags and organize your contacts with the help of Mailchimp. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.